I just put in 3 stalks of celery. Now I'm going to add some green beans. Now I'm going to add some chickpeas and some kidney beans. And then we'll mix that all together. I'll get a spoon here. And mix it all up. And maybe I'll add another stalk of celery. Now I just mixed it all up here. Now I'm going to add a cup of, half a cup of sugar. I got a mix of spice, a teaspoon of celery seed, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're going to put in a half a cup of white vinegar and a cup of olive oil. And then we'll mix it all together. Mix it up so everything is mixed very well into it. Now we'll put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours to let it chill. And then we take it out and serve it. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to our Hillbilly Frank site. Thank you.